Hello everyone. Here I will discuss one of the research on Google Scholar under title Language Learning Strategies Used by Santri During Pesantren Speech Program for Development Their Speaking Ability. So my name is Salawatullah Nashwa and I'm from the English Language Education Study Program Semester 4. Okay, now next slide. I wanna to show you the article. In this article, I taken in Google Scholar. This is from University Semarang, UNES. This English Education Journal. And this the research title Language Learning Strategies Used by Santri During Pesantren Speech Program for Development Their Speaking Ability, and the translate is strategi pembelajaran bahasa yang digunakan oleh santri selama program pidato di pesantren untuk mengembangkan kemampuan berbicara mereka. Next step is abstract. This study investigates the English language learning strategies used by Santri in a pesantren speech program to develop their speaking skill, using a qualitative case study approach with observation, interviews, and documentation. So the researchers apply Oxford at 2013 theory of language learning strategies. So the findings reveal 6 types of strategies used. First is memory, 92%. So cognitive, 50%. Compensation, 17%. Metacognitive, 75%. Affective 33% and social 100%. All participants state that speech activities improve their spoken English, so especially when delivering speeches publicly. So the study concludes that such program positive and contribute to students' speaking abilities. Next part of the research is introduction. And what is the topic? English language learning strategies used by Santri at Islamic boarding school or pesantren, and focus on the use of these strategies during pesantren speech programs to improve student speaking skill. Next, what is the issues? The issues is most Santri face difficulties in English speaking because it is a foreign language for them. So problems include limited vocabulary, poor grammar, and incorrect pronunciation, which hinder their speaking ability. Next, literature review or theoretical framework. And what are the theories about? This study reviews previous research on English learning strategies. These are the 6 strategies used in research. 1. Memory strategies. 2. Cognitive strategies. 3. Compensation strategies. 4. Metacognitive strategies. 5. Affective strategies. And the last, social strategies. Next part is method. First, methodology, qualitative descriptive approach, and data collection. This research use interviews, observation, and documentation. Okay, next part is result and discussion. What the result from this research? First, memory strategies that 92% of santri is used to memorize the content of the text. This helps santri remember what they have written and what they are going to deliver in their speech. Second is cognitive strategies that 50% of santri is used to understand process the material. For example, repeating, taking notes, and making summaries. And 3 compensation strategies that 70% of santri that use when they don't know a word in English. For metacognitive strategies that 75% of santri use to control their own learning process, such as planning, monitoring, and evaluating. 5 effective strategies that this help santri manage their emotion and motivation during learning. These 33% of santri use this strategy to overcome fear and lack of confidence when speaking in public. And the last social strategies is used by 100% santri to interact with others, such as asking for help, discussing, and receiving feedback to improve their speaking skills. Next is conclusion. This study discusses the English language learning strategies used by santri during pesantren speech activity for developing their speaking ability. Based on the result of the study, it can be concluded that all of the santris use 6 types of learning strategies as the participant in this study. The santris performs the speaking speech during pesantren activity using 6 strategies as proposed by Oxford 1990, namely 1 memory strategies, 2 compensation strategies, 3 cognitive strategies, 4 metacognitive strategies, 5 affective strategies, and the last social strategies. And all participants when held a speech activity at the Islamic boarding school should practice well because it is their chance to show their existence and their speaking ability. It can be seen when they deliver speech in front of an audience. They can improve their spoken English more than the next more than the text they met before. This the reference from the research so very much I just take a partial reference of this research. Next is critical opinion. The topic, in my opinion, the topic of the research is excellent and highly relevant. It provides valuable insight into how santri overcome challenges in learning English, especially in speaking to effective learning strategies in pesantren settings. And for the language, I think the language used in this article is quite easy to understand for us as university students. Next, the last but not least, this part of the research checklist. Number 1 abstract checklist, 2 introduction checklist, 3 literature review or theoretical framework checklist, 4 methodology checklist, 5 result and discussion checklist, 5 conclusion checklist, 7 references checklist. Next, do you recommend us to read the research? Yes, we recommend you to read the article because the article is so good for references if you want to success and to continue to the university. You can read this research if you santri in pondok pesantren or boarding school. Thank you. And the last, thank you for watching. Bye.